Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bullseye from Toy Story. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the eyes with two ovals on an angle. And then let's add a curve along the top. Now inside each eye, let's add a circle on the bottom right. And color these both in black. Now on top of the left eye, let's add a curve up and another one down on top. And let's add another eyebrow in the same way on the right side here. Now underneath, let's add the snout. Let's add an angle down on the left. And then a bump up. And another one on the right. And add a curve inside each one. Now in between, let's draw a line across. And curve it down on the right side. Now from the left, let's bring it down. Curve it all the way across. And a small bump up at the end. Now for the mouth, let's add a curve down and up underneath. And then another one inside. Now inside the mouth, let's add a curve across at the top for the teeth. And then a curve down underneath. And color this small triangle piece in black. Now next to the mouth, let's curve it up on the right side. Now that we're done the mouth, we can hop up and let's add the hair. Let's start on top of the right eyebrow and let's curve it over and up in between. Let's add another piece over to the left side. And two more spikes going up. Now let's finish it off with one more curving it out and down. Now let's finish off the back of the head by bringing it down and curve it out on the right. And then another curve underneath here for the other side of the neck. And close it off at the bottom. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's add the ears. On the top left, let's add a curve up and bring it back in. And add a curve across inside at the top. Now let's add another ear on the right side in the same way. And again, a curve across inside. Now lastly, for the head here, let's draw the hair on the right. Let's draw a curve down and in. Another point underneath and then curve it down. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and add the body. Starting underneath on the right, let's curve it over. And then add a large U-shaped curve out and up for the shape of the saddle. Now from the top, let's draw 2 curves in. And another curve down and up in between. And then connect it with a curve across at the top. Now on the top left, let's add 2 angles up and a line across. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's add another bump out and curve it in underneath. Then along the edge, let's add 3 small bumps going out. Now underneath the saddle, let's draw 2 angles down. And then close it off at the bottom to form a rectangle shape. And now let's add another smaller rectangle underneath on the left. Next, we're going to add 2 angles down underneath and close it off at the bottom. And let's do the same thing inside. Next, we're going to hop over to the left and let's draw the first leg. Let's draw 2 curves down and over. And close it off at the top. Now underneath each line, let's angle it out slightly. And a curve across the bottom. Next, inside the center, let's draw a dotted line across. Now underneath the leg, let's add the hoof by drawing a curve down and another curve out on the left. And close it off at the bottom. And then hop inside and let's add another curve across along the top. And that's it for the first leg. Now let's hop back up and let's add the shape of the body. Let's start under the neck and let's draw a curve across. Continue it on the other side of the leg. And then up on the right side. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's add the tail. On the right, let's draw a curve up and back in. Let's add 2 more larger points down. And 1 more smaller one, bringing it back in. Next, let's hop back to the bottom and let's add the rest of the legs. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw 2 curves going out. And then let's bring each of them down. And close it off at the bottom. Now across the knee, let's draw a dotted line again. Now let's add the hoof with 2 curves down. And close it off. And again, a curve across along the top. Next, in between these 2 front legs, let's draw a line down from the top and over. And then let's draw an angle down and in underneath. And the same thing inside. Now let's continue the legs, hopping all the way over to the bottom right, and let's draw 2 angles in. Then let's angle them down and out underneath. And close off the bottom. And again, a dotted line across. Now at the bottom, let's add a hoof in the same way as the other ones. And a curve across along the top. Now let's add the last leg behind. Let's start with an angle down. Then let's hop over on the left and let's bring it out and back in. Then let's continue both of these angles down underneath. And then close it off at the bottom. And then let's add the hoof underneath. And a curve across at the top. And that's it for a bullseye. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!